Hi and welcome to this quick video where I'll show you how to install the Spotify app on your LG Smart TV. So the first thing to check is to make sure that you're signed into your LG Smart TV with your LG account. We can check this by going to Settings, then scroll down all the way to All Settings. Once this loads, we'll scroll down again to General, make our way across and go down to System. And right here we have LG account. You can go in here and confirm you're logged on. If you're not, you can create an account. Once that's done, go to the home button and we'll go down the app list. So just scroll down a bit and across to apps. Select that. Once this page loads, use the cursor key, go up to the top and across to the right and up to the search button. Select it, the keyboard appears and we can now type in Spotify. Spotify, music and podcasts. That's the one we want. It brings up a few related items to Spotify, but we want this first one underneath apps. Click it. It takes us to another window. We click Install. Application has been installed on the end of Home. So let's press the Home button now. We did have an option to launch it from there, but I'll show you where it is right along here. Here we go. And if I wish to move it, I can press and hold the button and move it across like this. Click to release, come down to close, and it's now ready to be signed into. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, really appreciate a quick thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Thanks very much for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead.